Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we will discuss about how to find the value of A, B and C if this type of expression is given. So let's start with today's video. Now, the question is given as A by B, AB upon A plus B equal 1, BC upon B plus C is 2 and CA upon C plus A equal 3, and we have to find the value of A, B and C. So what can we do? We can reciprocate the equation. So we can write it as A plus B over AB equal 1. Consider the denominator as 1. Or we can write it as the second one also like this, B plus C over BC equal 2, 1 over 2, and C plus A over CA equal 1 over 3. We can break the LCM. A over AB plus B over AB equal 1. And we can eliminate A with A and B with B. So what is left? 1 over B plus 1 over A equal 1. Similarly, in second case, we can write it as B over BC plus C over BC equal half, and we can eliminate it B by B and C by C. So what is left? 1 over C plus 1 over B equal half. Now comes to case third. C over CA plus A over CA equal 1/3. And we eliminate it also. C by C and A by A. So 1 over A plus 1 over C equal 1 by 3. Now, we take this fraction number into an integer number. So I'll take it as let x equal 1 upon A and y equal 1 upon B and z equal 1 upon C. So in place of 1 upon A, I can write x, and in place of 1 upon B, I can write y, and in place of 1 upon C, I can write z. So after writing this, my equation look like this. So 1 upon B means y, 1 upon A means x, so y plus x equal 1. Here z plus y equal 1 by 2. And here x plus z equal 1 by 3. This is my equation number 1. This is equation number 2. And this is equation number 3. So with the help of these three equations, we'll try to find the values of x, y, and z and then substitute this. Now, try to solve this equation. So what can I do? That I will subtract two equations. That is equation number 1 and 2. So I'll subtract equation number 1 from 2. So the LHS of equation number 1 is y plus x, and we have to subtract. So we have to change the sign of equation to minus z minus y equal 1 minus 1 by 2. So plus y, eliminate the minus y. So what it becomes? X minus z equal, I'll take the LCM, 2 minus 1, that is 1 over 2. So the value of x minus z is 1 by 2. Now I have two equations. In terms of, I'll take it as 4. In terms of x and z, I have two equations. That is equation number 3 and equation number 4. One with addition sign and one with subtraction sign. So I'll add both the equations and eliminate the value of z. Now first I'll write the add equation third and fourth. So our equation number third is x plus z equal 1 by 3. So x plus z plus, we'll add, so equation number 4 is x minus z. So x plus z, equation number third is equals to 1 by 3 plus equation number 4 is equals to 1 by 2. So I'll eliminate plus z with minus z, and x plus x is 2x. So 2x equal, the LCM is 6 and here is 5. So value of x is 5 by 12. So I have now one value, the value of x, that is 5 by 12. Now I substitute the value of x and find the value of other. I can substitute the value of x in equation number 1 and find the value of y. So our first equation is, substitute the value in equation first. So our equation 1 is y plus x equal 1. So x equal 1 minus, sorry, y equal 1 minus x. That is 1 minus 5 by 12. So 12 minus 5 over 12, that is 7 by 12. So the value of y is 7 by 12. Now only one value is left, that is value of z. So I have the value of x, the value of y. I can calculate the value of z easily by putting that value in equation number 2 as well as in equation number 3. So I'll take equation number 2, that is z plus y equal half. So z is equals to half minus y. So z is equals to half minus 7 by 12. So z is equals to, the LCM is 12, 6 minus 7. So z is equals to minus 1 over 12. So the value of z is minus 1 over 12. Now remember, we'll take x as 1 by a and y as 1 by b and z as 1 by c. So I'll write it down. X is equals to 1 by a. So the value of a is 1 over x, that is 5 over 12 is 12 over 5. So the value of a is 12 over 5. Similarly, the value of b, y is equals to 1 by b. So b is equals to 1 by y, that is 12 by 7. So value of b is 12 by 7. Now z is equals to 1 by c. So c is equals to 1 by z, that is minus 12. So c is equals to minus 12. That's how you can find the value of a, b and c by reciprocal and substitute the values. I hope you understand and it's clear. Thank you so much. And if you understand it, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.